What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. 2023 Dodge Charger Hellcat. Sexy purple with a pink accent. Not bad, not bad. This is the last call on it, 2023. The last one you guys are gonna see this year. Forever and ever. Anyways, factory converter, factory converter, factory X-Pipe, factory mufflers, mids, factory. Factory is the word of the day, Jared. Factory, factory, factory. Factory, valves, and then, not factory, we took the factory rears off and replaced them with two Carven R series. Part number right there. 3-inch in, 3-inch out, right there. And right there. And two Natami 5-inch black, polished black tips. There and there to complete the look. Look at that. Now it looks like a Hellcat and it'll sound like a Hellcat. And if you guys don't know, this is what it looks like inside on the Carvens. Some really cool designs. This gives it a really nice distinctive sound. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And there's the two rears and the tips that we took off right there. Looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. All right, guys, round two on this beautiful 2023 Hellcat. Look at this beast. We did a video earlier with the Carven R's. Then he's like, I don't like it. It's not loud enough and I want to change it up. So he brought it back and we ordered him some new mufflers. We're going to show you to you guys in a second. Anyways, factory converter there and there. Factory X-Pipe right there. Then we took his Carvens that were back there and installed them in the middle right there, as you guys can see, instead of the mid mufflers. Then it's got the factory valves there. So there's the Carven R's. There'll be part numbers in the description with links. There's the factory valves there and there. Then 3-inch pipe continues. And then we put on some sexy Valvetronics mufflers. One there, one there. They have a universal kit that runs about $600 online. And then you take it to a muffler shop and they install it for you guys. There and there. We'll have a link in the description for them also. And then the valve system goes through in here. We ran it and into the trunk and then into his cigarette lighter inside his center console. To finish it off, two sexy 5-inch black tips, as you guys can see. And now the valves are closed right now. So we'll let you guys hear it with the valves closed. And then we'll let you guys hear it with the valves open after. And there's the mids that were on it that we cut off also right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and what? Hit that subscribe. Say it.
Yes. Subscribe.
Yes. Subscribe. All right, guys, 2023 SRT Hellcat. Round probably 3 or 4. We've done a bunch of videos on this one. He keeps switching it up. So we went with the Valvetronics last time, right there. But he said it droned. I was surprised. He said it droned too much. And he made it sound not like he wanted. It was not sounding like a Hellcat anymore. So he was upset and he said, take them off. I said, we got you. So we took them off. Factory converter, factory X-Pipe. We have the Carvens now in the middle instead of the rear, as you guys can see there. Stock valves there. Then we just deleted the rear ones and ran 3-inch pipe in their place. We deleted the Valvetronics and put 3-inch pipe in their place into the 5-inch tips, black there and there, as you guys can see. There's a Valvetronic system we cut off. You saw the other muffler up there. So we'll see what will happen next. If he likes it or he doesn't like it. Stay tuned. You might see it a 4th time on the channel. We'll let you guys know. Anyways, you know what to do. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Yes, sir. It's clean. So it's got the cold air intake on it, guys, too. And I like what it says here, look. Don't park too close. I'm fat. That's so funny. It's a good looking car. You can hear the roar still. So you guys know it's a Hellcat. Here it is. You can hear it. You hear that? You hear that whine? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. All right, guys. So right now the valves are closed. Okay. Here we go. Quiet. So you can hear the supercharger. You can hear the supercharger louder than whine. Again. So it's right at 101. All right, go ahead and open the valves. Yeah, much better. Here's sound decibels. I'm going to put it open. 115. Wow, that's perfect. Again. Gotta back it out. That's with it open. Again. Close them. Go ahead. So quiet. Wow. Let you guys hear on the inside. And again, guys, sorry for the construction, but Nashville's got to grow somehow. So there you go. Much better. Are you happy now? We'll see for how long. Your sound decibels? 116. Imagine, guys, when they finish these apartments or houses, they're gonna love being beside us.
I know.
Right? Let you guys hear on the inside. Valves closed. Valves open. Carven rears, 5-inch tips. Oh, so much noise. Lost it. Enjoy, guys. This is with the valves open, Carven mid, and Valvetronics rears with the valves open. Wow, beast mode. Now he's gonna close them, guys, okay? I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, they're closed. So now they're closed. See the next pull with them closed. Wow, it sounds like a freaking jet. All you hear is the supercharger. Wow, that sounds phenomenal. Yeah.
What will be done today?
I think so, yeah. What does it need?